Hello, Bonjour et Bienvenue. Welcome to the 10th lesson of the French lesson series that I've been doing. I'm Zahra here, and for today's class, we will be learning les nombres. And the numbers that we will be learning today are 20 to 50 in French. So I've already covered 0 to 20 in my previous videos, which I will be linking. Today we will be learning 20 to 50. So the word for 20 is 20. 20. Now 21 is formed from 20 plus 1. There is no new word for 21, and this is exactly how we will be writing 21. Now 21 is 21. You put et and we know the word for 20 is 20. We know the word for 1 is Now this word et, the pronunciation is a, 21, and it means and. So this essentially means 20, 20 and 1, which is 21. The pronunciation for 21 becomes 21, 21, 21. We are pronouncing this T. So it is 21. 22 will be 20 plus 2. But now we will not be writing this A. How will we write 22? 20. We know the word for 2 is the, but this becomes 22 only when you put this hyphen. If you do not put this hyphen, these are two separate words. 20 is a separate word and the is a separate word. When you put the hyphen, it all comes together, and that's how you have 22. Weather. Now naturally, 23 will be 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. We know the word for 3. We know the word for 20. We put the hyphen and we get 23. 23. Pronunciation will be 23. Sorry. 23. Similarly, you will have 24, which will be 20 plus 4, and that will be 24. 24. And then you have 25, which is 20 plus 5, 25. 25. And you will have 26, which will be 26. 27 will be 27. 27. 28 will be 28. 28. 29 will be 29. 29 will be 20 plus 9. So that will be 29. And 30. Now 30 will not be 20 plus 10. There's a new word for 30. The word for 30 is 30. 30. Pronunciation is 30. 30. Trente. Pronunciation is 30. 30 is 30. Now the way we wrote 21 is exactly how we will write 31, 41, 51, right? So 31 will be 30 and 1. So how we wrote 21? 21 was 21. 21. Similarly, 31 will become 31. 31. 31. 31. 31. 32 will be 30 plus 2, but here this et will not come and it will be a hyphen, so it will be 30. 30. 33 will be 33. 33. 34 will be 34. 34, and so on. You will have 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Now the word for 40, new word for 40 is quarante. Q-U-A-R-A-N-T-E. Q-U-A-R-A-N-T-E. Quarante. Pronunciation is quarante. 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 41 will naturally become 41. 41. 41. 41. 42 will be 42. 42. You have 43, and so on. You will have 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. The word for 50 is cinquante. Cinquante. Pronunciation is cinquante. 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 Now naturally you will be able to write 51 to 59. Stay tuned for the next video, as I will be covering more numbers in the next one. 50 to 80 is what I will be covering. So let's do a quick recap. 20 is called 20. 21 is called 21. 21. 22 is 22 hyphen, and similarly you have 30. 30 is called 30. 31 will become 31. 31 will become 31. 31. 32 will become 32. 32, and so on and so forth. Next you have 40. 40 is 40. 40. 41. 40. And so on and so forth. And the last one that you have for today's class that we learned is cinquante. The word for 50 is cinquante. Merci beaucoup. Stay tuned for next lessons. This is Zahra signing off. Au revoir.